IELTS is an English language test. Anybody can easily crack it with practice. If you are planning to appear in IELTS exam or you are already a student, then check out this video till end to know tips to get success in IELTS. And also in the end, I will share my most important tips. So stay tuned with me. Follow the following steps to get your desired bands. Before starting your IELTS preparation, take a mock test to know your current level of English. This step is vital because if you know your current level of English, only then you can study to improve it. To take mock, you can register free online mock websites like E2 English or Cambridge English. These sites may provide you not only the accurate results but also you don't need to spend a penny. Once you know where you stand, now set your goals. Check out the universities where you want to apply. Understand their band requirements and then compare yourself. Make a chart of your desired scores and hang it on the wall so that it can recall you in the future about your desired bands. Once you know how much bands you need, check its description. IDP provides band indicators which shows what are the requirements to get specific band. Candidate receives band score from 1 to 9. Suppose you want to achieve 7. From band indicators, understand the requirements for 7 and then work on it. Start your study as soon as possible because many research shows that minimum 3 months are required to boost the level of a language. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start your study as soon as possible. Make a plan and follow it. Do regular practice, work consistently, and motivate yourself by watching YouTube videos. Last but not the least, it's time for my important tip. And my important tip is early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So make a habit of doing your study in the morning, especially in the lap of nature. This is the time when you are fresh, calm, energetic, and ready to grasp many information. Waking up early is hard, but it assures definite success. It is proved by the research those who gets up early are more productive than others. So develop this habit and also write your comments and views about my tip. What do you think about this? I will catch you in another video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.